In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your website by installing an SSL certificate. With the increasing focus on online security, having an SSL certificate is vital for encrypting the data exchanged between your users and your website, instilling trust in your audience. Let's break down the process step by step. The first step is to purchase or obtain a free SSL certificate. Many people opt for Let's Encrypt because it's a reliable and free service. The type of SSL certificate you choose will depend on your specific needs, but Let's Encrypt is a great starting point for most. Once you've got your certificate, we can move on to the next step. Now we're going to log into your VPS via SSH. This step requires you to access your server securely. Open your preferred SSH client and enter the necessary credentials to establish a connection to your server. This process gives you command line access, which is essential for installing the SSL certificate. Once you're logged in, it's time to install the SSL certificate on your web server, whether you're using Apache or Nginx. Each of these servers has different instructions for installing SSL certificates. For Apache, you'll typically need to configure the apache2.conf or http.conf file. For Nginx, you would edit the nginx.conf file. Ensure you have your certificate files ready, and then follow the instructions specific to your server to complete the installation. Check any existing documentation if you're unsure, as proper configuration is crucial. With the SSL certificate installed, the next step is to configure your server to use SSL and set up a redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. This ensures that all traffic automatically routes through the secure HTTPS protocol. For Apache users, this is usually done by adding a rewrite rule in your configuration file. In Nginx, you would specify a redirect rule in your server configuration block. Doing this guarantees your visitors' connections are always encrypted, maintaining their data privacy. Finally, it is important to test your website to confirm that SSL is active and everything is working smoothly. Visit your website and check for the padlock icon in the browser's address bar, which indicates that the SSL certificate is active and functioning correctly. You can also use online tools to validate your SSL installation, ensuring no errors and that all settings are optimal. And that's it! With those steps completed, your website is now secured with an SSL certificate, providing enhanced security for your users and bolstering trust in your online presence. Make sure to stay updated on when your certificate needs renewal, especially if you're using Let's Encrypt, as it typically requires renewal every 90 days. Congratulations on taking this crucial step towards website security.